YouTube. Some of y'all be watching my videos and y'all be bringing out the rulers and be trying to, you know what I mean? Jeezy, that ain't straight. The left side don't match the right side, and the blend doesn't come up to the certain degree of the measurements. And some of y'all probably stop my video right at the hairline part where y'all want to try to measure and try to judge, and then leave in a comment section, Jeezy, that isn't straight, blase, 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 blah. Listen, okay? Listen. I'm not perfect. 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 I'm not. I'm just a good barber, okay? Let go.
I think I paid through the books, you think, so I think we're good.
Anything?
No, we're good. Come on, man, please. I appreciate you, brother. Thanks, man. I'll try to get that. Tell Kevin what's up.
All right.
All right.
How we doing?
All right.
YouTube, we got a package in the mail. I don't know, it seemed like it's from Con Air. I don't know why Con Air would be sending me anything. Yes, I do, but I didn't ask for it, all right? This is something that's just here, just popped up. They spelled my name wrong, my last name on the package. Kind of weird because they got it right here, but they got it wrong on the actual package. But let's open it up and see what it is. All right, let's go. Man, it's a bunch of stuff. Oh, snap. Ooh-wee. Oh, snap. Hold on, wait a minute. Forget Con Air, all right? It's Babyliss. Hold on. Oh, snap. I don't even know what that is, but I just want to get to the root of what's going on here. I don't know what these are. We'll open up those later. I got, man, woo. What clipper is this? Hold on, let me take it out of the package real quick. I'm excited to see what these are, but man, what clipper is this? We'll check this out later, but hold on now. Ooh. Hey, this is clean. The black and gold one? Hold on, wait a minute. Now this is the one I wanted. This is the one I wanted. The gold, the gold and red one. The candy paint red, the apple red, the I need to open this up now. But hold on, wait a minute. Let me show you guys this one. We do got to rob the original one.
Oh yeah, we jumping here.
Woo!
Oh yeah, we jumping for sure.
Woo! This is too clean. This is too clean. But the one I really wanted. I got some more stuff in the box, but the one I really wanted was this red one right here. Let's just open this up. Let's just get this on out of the way real quick.
Hey Jay, bro, you're not even Mexican, bro.
Listen, chill. Dang, this one's clean. Oh, snap. Oh.
Boy said Con Air.
Woo! Because the box say Con Air.
That's the funny part.
The box says Con Air.
How funny you was going along with it.
Wow. The box says Con Air. Smart one.
Funny how you did that.
Nevertheless, we have some people in here that's a little bit jealous. You can tell by the energy that's coming off of up in here. But look at this, you guys. Dang, this one clean. This one is clean. The gold on the tips, all the gold accents. You know I gotta do a video with these. These is clean. But I'm gonna open up the rest of them just so y'all. Yeah, definitely.
We even like Iron Man.
I gotta open this one up too, just to show love to Rob the original. This one is this one's Hawk. My man Hawk in Atlanta, Hawk the barber. For those that don't know, this one right here is Rob the Originals. Let's get into it. This white one This white and gold one is clean though. This is the white Power Ranger, yeah, that's this one's clean too. Moving along, we got Sophie? Is that her name? Am I saying it right, you guys?
Yeah, Sophie.
Sophie? Okay, we're gonna pay respects to Sophie. Shout out to her. Hey, you know, I don't know everybody like that, but hey. Sophie got her black and gold. This one right here, cool. Oh man, this should have been gold though. Why isn't this one gold though? Hold on, man. Y'all jeeping her right now. Hold on. Where the gold at though? Babyliss, come on now. I mean, it's clean though. Nevertheless, it's still clean. But where the gold at? Can I get a gold blade? Can I get a gold blade? Okay, they got the gold. They got the gold tips. Okay. Where the gold blade? Okay, maybe it didn't come with a gold blade. Let me see the box. Yeah, hers didn't come with the gold blade. But nevertheless, hers is still clean too. If I had to choose which ones I like, you know what I mean? I would say I like this one better than all of them. Then it's the black one for sure. Then it's the Rob the Originals, but they all definitely clean though. They all clean. All right. So let's show you guys what else is in this box. I do got another black. I got another black blade. Hold on, wait a minute. I got another black blade. I don't know what this is, but it looked like a bag or something. I got extra chargers. I got a comb, some brushes, more brush, another comb, and another comb, okay? Then I got a sticker. I got some type of stickers here. And that's basically it. That's basically it. That's basically it. So now I gotta clean up. The mess here is ridiculous. Shout out to Dennis for sending this over. I gotta clean up all this stuff right here. I got the box right here. It's just a mess, you guys. It's just a mess. We will get it clean before my next client comes in. Hey, before I get off this topic, so I want to thank Dennis for real for sending me over all 3 of these though. I really wanted the red one, but he sent over all 3 of them. I appreciate it. Shout out to Babyliss. These are out right now. You guys could get. I don't know if these are out. I don't know. I think these are like limited or something like that. But you guys definitely want to cop these. These are a must-have. All right. So yeah. Again, Dennis, thank you. All right. So I found out what these are. These are to put got magnets right here. It's for to put the clippers in here, you know? I think, and then you clip it. That's basically what this is for. I got like, got a couple of these, so yeah. Hey, we all got different type of clients, right? Some clients, they trust you. They really do trust you. So when you show them the mirror, they be like, nah. You know what I mean? I don't need to see the mirror. I don't need to see it, okay? Then you got some that's like, nah, I don't see the mirror. And then when you hand it to them, they like, this spot right here, this spot right here. You got some people that trust you, and then some people that fake trust you. You know what I mean? I'm just saying, which one are you? guys, check it out though. Check it out. There's something about this clipper that's like different. Like it's real sharp and it takes out the bald line. They did something different because when I feel it like this, it feels real different from this. Like this feels kind of more dull than this one does. So it is a difference. Hey, have y'all ever came back from lunch and kind of suspect that somebody was messing with your clippers because you got something in new? That's kind of how I feel right now. Like something is just out of place. Should I just start pointing the finger or what? Should I start accusing? Let me know. It's just something don't sit right. Like I didn't have these out. You know what I mean? It's something about these that's out right now. Jarrell, you use these? You use these?
Why would I use yours if I got my own? Are you recording right now? Trying to get on me?
I mean, this has red hair on it. I didn't cut anybody with red hair. Let's be real.
Early top with red hair last Saturday.
This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. All right, we got my cousin back in here. We got him back. As y'all know, he was sleeping in the car the last time y'all seen him.
Hey, I'm not asleep today.
About to get him right. You ready to get your hair cut or what? Yes?
I'm
No?
not gonna make it smile, yes.
You say you're not gonna what?
I said I'm not gonna make it smile. You still dig it. I don't smile during her day.
You just smile. What are you talking about?
Cause you guys.
Alright, whatever.
Hey, so we doing like some more or what?
Nah, abs. Abs. All right, you guys, we are on our way home. It's over. It's done. Had a long day. Not really too long, but it's really long. But yeah, this guy here. If you guys don't know, this is my son Rico. We put extra emphasis on him. Okay, you guys see him. All right, we're going home. Oh my goodness. Oh, my leg. You know when this part right here, when it hits. Oh.